Let's turn it on in heat mode for the first time for 2020-21 heating season. I don't have a tripod with me. It's actually down at my shop. So I'm just going to set the camera on top right here, and we're going to go turn it on. It is about 12:38 Sunday, November 1st. It's about 58 degrees out here. So I don't know if the heat strips are going to kick on or not. They sometimes work, sometimes don't. But it is officially heating season, despite the fact it's going to be close to 80 degrees at the end of this week. But the lows are going to be in the upper 30s to mid 50s. So anyways, this was first startup in the Goodman in heat mode for 2021. And we'll go back in and see if the heat strips decide to smoke a house up again. Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye for now.